Live lecture. Learn beyond class.
The AI job market is moving towards AI agents. By 2026, their value will depend entirely on interacting with the real world. But there is a technical gap. Large language models are text predictors. They are not network actors. They can generate the logic for a task, but they cannot inherently execute it. If you ask an AI to book a flight and add it to your calendar, it might write the code required, but it has no way to run that code or reach the airline's database. LLMs also lack a persistent memory of the process. Without a way to track the state of a conversation, the model can't easily recognize that the flight booking and the calendar update are two parts of the same job. An AI agent that cannot safely reach and manipulate tools like databases, CRMs, or calendars is limited to generating text rather than completing work. To bridge this gap, we've relied on APIs. These are the standard way software speaks to other software, but they were built for developers, not models. Most APIs are stateless. As this diagram shows, when a client requests data, the server answers and the connection immediately closes. The system forgets the interaction the moment it's over. This creates friction for AI models, which operate on probability and context. Forcing a reasoning model to interact with these rigid resetting endpoints often requires constant manual instruction. This leads to the N times M problem. If you have 10 tools and 10 AI apps, you have to handwrite 100 custom integrations just to keep them talking. The complexity grows every time you add a new tool. This exponential growth in custom code is the primary bottleneck preventing AI agents from scaling across modern digital environments. The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, is an open standard designed to solve this by replacing bespoke glue code with a unified interface. It works like a USB-C port for AI. Instead of using a different proprietary cable for every single tool, the model uses one standard plug to access everything in its environment. Created by Anthropic and now hosted by the Linux Foundation, it is a neutral, open-source standard for the entire industry. By standardizing how models discover tools, developers can build one MCP interface that any compatible AI can use instantly, cutting down the total volume of code required for new integrations. This is the new software stack. At the bottom, you still have your database and the traditional API that manages its functions. The MCP server sits directly on top of that API. It doesn't replace the existing backend. It acts as a translator between the model and the data. The AI agent now communicates only with the MCP server. It no longer needs to know the specific technical details of the raw API beneath it. When the AI makes a request in natural language, the MCP server converts that intent into the structured API call the database expects, then passes the result back in a format the AI can reason about. Instead of a developer hard-coding every endpoint, the MCP server exposes named capabilities, like get customer history. The model can see these tools and understand which one to use based on the context. This protocol also introduces session state. It allows the agent to maintain a memory of previous steps, making it possible to link several actions into a single complex workflow. This shifts the integration logic out of the application code and places it directly into the model's reasoning process. There is a common misconception that MCP is intended to replace APIs. In reality, MCP requires APIs. It is a wrapper that makes them accessible to AI. The traditional API is still doing the actual work of retrieving data and executing commands. We are moving toward a shared ecosystem where tools are designed to be model native, using these stateful sessions to handle complex tasks with less custom code. Understanding this architectural layer is a key step for engineers, moving from building simple chat interfaces to creating sophisticated agentic systems. APIs allow software to talk to software. MCP allows AI agents to use that software safely and with the persistent memory required to navigate multi-step tasks.